What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in advance. Today we got another video on our 2015 Polaris RZR XP 1000. Today we're going to be installing some new doors. If you guys haven't seen the introduction video to this side-by-side, I mentioned that it came with these Pro Armor metal doors, or lower doors, should I say. You guys don't jump on me in the comments. The lower doors, the metal, with the plastic uppers. It's not a bad look, but I don't like the fitment of the metal doors. They don't fit how I really want them to fit, or should think they should fit. So we're gonna go ahead, change those out, take a few bolts out. Also, we're changing this because this upper, some of the bolt holes are kind of messed up, so they don't hold as tight anymore. So shout out to eBay. We found some brand used RZR doors. Yes, they're orange. They have the orange badging on them. We will remove this. We will remove this and change this so it's not orange anymore. But we got us some new uppers, like I said, some new lowers. Yes, they're already put together. I got a little impatient. That happens when I order a lot of stuff and it's sitting in the garage for a little while. I get impatient and gotta do something with it. So you guys can see they're just the plastic, regular matte plastic OEM lower doors, which I like that look a lot better. I think it's a lot cleaner, and I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner once we get everything put together. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Let me put you guys down and we're gonna jump right into this video, guys. All right, guys, so we had to move inside. Kind of got dark on us pretty quick, so we moved inside. We got the upper door and the Pro Armor metal lower door off, and we also got the little triangle rear, I don't know what you would call this part of the door, off as well. Go ahead and clean this up. Would I be special if I clean this up? I'm not OCD, but I don't know, I kind of want to clean this up. I got the feeling to clean this up. So you guys don't talk about me in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then we're gonna throw the new panel back on and bolt up the new lowers. All right, guys, so we got the door on. We kind of got it lined up pretty good. It's not 100%. I'm gonna go back and play with it a little bit, but you can see it latches almost on the first try. These RZR doors are kind of funny, the way they're kind of built and how you align them. So we'll play around with it and get it spot on, but it's not bad. It's pretty good, to be honest. What we're about to do now is go ahead and put this rear triangle piece on. It comes with, it mounts like this, there, and then there's some little holders that go around the thing like that, and it basically just kind of holds it snug to the bar right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get that put on, and then we'll be done with the driver's side. We'll jump over to the passenger side. I'll probably finish that up tomorrow, because it's pretty dark, getting pretty late. So probably finish that up tomorrow and wrap this little door project up. So we're gonna throw this on. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, we're back, day 2. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little FYI, a little secret that I learned. Whew. When you go to put the new doors on, make sure you put the lower on first. this actually goes on first. It actually, these little tabs actually go in a groove on the actual door frame right here. One's there and one's there. That goes on, so you actually have to bolt that on first. Then put the new upper on, and then you can bolt everything together and line it up. So just a little heads up, you know, do that before. I made that mistake. I put that whole side on, then realized I had to put the lower on first. So go ahead and do that. Set you guys up. We're about to knock this other door out, and let you guys see what the finished product looks like. Looks a lot better, guys, so stay tuned.